Right, here we go. Parang may buhayan.
Mob High Five! Yo! Cheers! Cheers!
Good morning, guys. It's another day dito sa Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. Today Sunday. It's 7:15 in the morning. So we'll be doing a Klook tour today. So inaantay namin yung van service. Pipick upin namin sa hotel. And it's a full day event where we are heading to two destinations. So Chu Chi Tanas. Ito yung Vietnam War remnants. So titingnan natin doon yung I think may mga relics doon ng mga old ships, battleships, and yung pangalang pupunta namin is Mekong Delta. So yung Mekong Delta naman, it's waterway. May mga floating houses. So I think ito yung nakita ko sa video na sasakay tayo ng bangka. So hopefully ito yung parang may mga lolong sa gilid. So it's going to be a full fun day today, full day event. Samahan niyo kami, guys. Let's go.
Tired and you want to take a rest or drink a coffee, you can let me know. So many years ago, the French they came here. They came to Southeast Asia.
Galing nung
No pork. Okay.
na ko natutunan i-bend yung tourist guide.
Alright, everyone. So now please.
So we arrived the first destination.
They put the raw food inside, and we use the lacquer oil to cover on the background, and then we polishing with the CPU that's on that. After we polishing, and this one we use the concrete.
Nakikita mo, handcrafted talaga everything. Alright, guys, off to the next one. Back kami from 7-Eleven. May free lunch kami mamaya. Pero hindi natin alam kung ano yung lunch. Alright, guys, so medyo malaki itong area na to, kaya pala whole day din. Guys, mga bombshells na unexploded. Ito yung mga barrel, guys, from bigay ng mga Amerikano sa mga Vietnamese. Look at this missile. Grabe, ang laki. Kasamang hike, guys.
If they leave it next to the tunnel, you also just see where's the tunnel. You know, hidden the cultural.
Okay, guys, we're heading to the bunkers. Sa mga sample bunkers. Yeah.
It's a bit human waste.
Tiger trap daw pala to, guys.
Make people get infection. And then
Sample bomb crater, guys. Ganyan kalalaki.
But if you say need it around 100. Actually, this bunker they make it for the tourists, so it's not too deep. The real bunker of the vehicle must be 3 meters. But when it's too deep like this, you too deep like 3 meters, you jump down, you break your leg. That's why we make this one enough for the people to jump down and try. Okay?
Alright. Riley trying the... Let's put somewhere on the knock. Oh, careful.
The next one, please.
That's right.
You 40 by 40 centimeters. That's one. And remember the tunnel never. So first from here, we look down there. You see there are 2 directions inside. The first direction that way. If you follow that way, you can go to some other bunkers over there. Even to the entrance we did try. But if you keep going by that direction, you can go to the Saigon River.
What's inside, right?
Hai chục ngàn. The next one, please.
Good job, Riley. Another hole.
Can say here.
Yeah.
But the people they stay down there 10 years. And one more thing, the sandals.
Natututo ka ba, ma? Lakas mo.
Very educational. Nakakaawa yung mga
Magaling yung nakakaawa sila pag narinig mo yung stories. How they sacrificed. Diba? So, narinig niyo guys yung puro gunshot. Mamaya magta-try daw si Riley. Paputok ng AK-47. Let's go.
After the war, we still have a lot of relics.
Tayo nasa death march na ito. First down.
Alright, so here you see many traps. Actually, they have many of them to trap your soldiers. Sometimes they set up a door trap inside the house behind the door. Sometimes they put something heavy here to make the trap go down faster, and it makes the people stronger. So if anybody open the door, the trap from inside.
Try kami ni Riley ng rifle. AK o yung rifle lang na? AK. Hey guys, nasa shooting range kami. So we'll try. Ito gusto ko i-try mo. Pwede mo. Artillery. Lalaki oh. 85mm. Ayun yung shooting range guys oh. We went for AK-47. Can I come with him?
Only one person.
So I cannot video him?
Only.
Riley, how was the fighting experience? Sarap? Bullseye ba? Bullseye? Tinamaan mo ba? Bullseye? Anong bar gamit mo?
AK-47.
Itong buo, Riley. Very good. Let's try.
Okay.
Right, here we go.
You want to keep it, you wear it in the front, otherwise you
Oh, kita mo?
Ayun na. Umahon na sila. Is it too tight?
No, I'm playing in my bag.
Alright. Riley, you take the camera with you.
Really take it. I don't.
Alright.
It's on. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, keep mo Willie.
Si Mami hindi nag-try. 100-meter bunker pumakit si Riley. This is the last exit. So, literally, they were crawling inside.
What's the experience?
How was the experience sa loob? Mainit.
Mainit. You needed to crawl.
Konti.
Konti lang. So, imagine Riley crawling. Imagine Mami's sides sliding.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, we passed. Si Riley ang, and there are a few more people.
Didn't back leave me.
Hey!
Guys, I made a vlog about me dying.
Hi guys, done with the Kuchi tunnels. Really good. Ganda na experience. Ang galing yung aming tour guide.
Buti na
Really explaining everything.
Buti na lang meron kaming representative.
Riley, representative sa pagsuot lahat ng tunnels. But good. So we'll go for lunch and then pupunta na raw kami sa Mekong River ba yun? Let's go! Time for lunch, guys! We didn't know na we signed up na libre pala yung kasama na yung lunch. Nice! Mukhang ganda ng pwesto.
But you know, like 2 hours drive to the Mekong. So if you want to use the restroom there,
Shared meal, guys. Sarap. After 2 hours of bus, nasa Mekong Delta na kami, guys. This is a boat river cruise. Exciting yung in-explain sa amin. Let's see. Ito yung gagawin. Captain Jack's para yung mga bangka. So yun, sasakyan namin, guys. Here we go.
so from there you could go to Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia by the boat. Everywhere, that side. I mean, some people they even live on the boat.
That's the boat. So nasa bee farm daw kami, guys. We'll try some honey. Like my money. Ganda ng mga orchids.
The honeybees in Vietnam, firstly, they're quite small and friendly. Actually, because they have flower at all the time. Okay, my friends, we have some more here.
Alright, carry that for the entire trip. Come on.
You take some photos first, and after that, I will let you try some honey from that bee.
Banana and yellow one ginger. You can eat.
Good. Thank you. That's it.
Banana chips, yeah.
Sarap na, oh.
Tastes good.
Cheers.
Tastes good.
It's different with the snake, so they don't have the scale like the snake, so that's why we could use the skin to make the back, the wallet.
Riley, wait. One more photo.
Alright.
One, two, three. Wow, parang si Cobra. King Cobra.
Saan? Oh, yan. Patola queen daw to. Mapagpatol. Off to Coconut Island, di ba? Alright, thanks. That's coconut.
Ông bà không nhập đủ không vậy?
Anh đừng tin.
Nãy không có đi.
Đáp Riley.
Riley.
Alright, a little bit of challenge. Hi. Wait.
Okay, wait. You go to the place. Đặt chiếc này đi ba ơi. Tingnan yung hats mo. Sa likod.
Yung sombrero na.
Sa likod.
Yung mga salakot. We're off the boat. Hey guys. So, sa bangka kami nila mami. Riley, nak. Take, look up here. Sana walang croquet dito, guys. Hi, ma.
Hi.
Do we look good sa ano? Crocodiles daw dito, guys. So, do not stick your hands. Hey guys, nasa bangka kami. So, medyo creepy yung itsura. Nakatakot. Parang may buhaya. So, high tide daw today. Kaya mataas yung tubig. Pero, I think malalim yata to. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Anak, wave ka rito. Ay, ang ganda. Naka-cave in pa yung mga palms. Ano? Kaya malilim. Alright, thanks a lot. Alright. Okay. Asa yung sombrero mo?
Nandito.
Alright, thank you. Ooh, that was good.
This was good.
That was good. That was a nice boat ride. Oh, another snacks. Another snack time.
GoPro.
It's Insta 360.
Oh, Insta 360.
Another transport. Sana natin na babayan. Tuk-tuk, balik sa bus. Are you up for snake wine? Nice.
A king cobra, huh? A gecko.
Gecko.
A big gecko. And you can also see some other snakes in there. And many things, but now they are on the bottom, so I cannot bring it out for you. Now, I wanna try. Who else? Come on!
Ay, let's try. Isa nga? Try mo rin.
You want it?
Not really, but yeah.
Yeah. Yes! Okay, who next?
Riley, mami, ikaw din.
Hey, how old are you?
One per group representative dapat meron.
Rasham, come on! You will like it.
Cheers,
When we
cheers.
would drink, my grandpa he's gave me a cup of water, and when we drink, we all say cheers, but we say mop,
Mop.
hi,
Mop, hi.
ba,
Ba.
and then yo, yes,
Mop.
yo,
Ah,
again,
Mop,
hi, ba, yo.
Mop.
So now I need you guys say louder. Make sure everybody here can hear you. Okay?
Mop,
Come closer,
ba,
come
hi,
closer.
yo.
Ready?
Mop, hi, ba, yo.
Cheers, cheers. One shot, huh? See, it's good, right? But you can feel it's burning down a little bit because rice wine. That's
good.
about 40%. And you can feel it later, huh?
Heading back to the boat, guys. Medyo mainit, pero it's a good visit sa coconut farm. Ang daming freebies. Ano pa kami na ice buko pa kami ni Riley. Sa kanya, chocolate.
Snake wine.
Yeah, after the snake wine, medyo mainit yung pakiramdam. So, pero good thing pag-cool down with the ice buko. Alright. Heading back sa boat. Alright, heading back sa bus. So, this is few minutes and then 2 hours na naman daw, guys. So, magsa sunset na. Over there. Alright. Gutom na kami. Although maraming libreng food. We bought, nasa yung pinili natin na? We bought coconut coffee and tea. So,
Banana chips.
saka banana chips kanina doon sa paprika. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Careful. Alright, slowly. Okay.
Thank you.
Yay! Done with the Mekong Delta tour. So this is a long drive back, 2 hours again. See ya!
I don't remember who it was, but I said
Hey guys, after almost 3 hours ng travel, ang traffic pa uwi pabalik sa Ho Chi Minh City, we're back dito. It's 9 PM. Gutom na kami, hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner, so we'll find a place pabalik sa hotel na mga kainan. Anything na makita namin local, first thing we'll go there. Right, so kita tayo doon guys. Beef noodle soup, pork chop, rice, Vietnamese style sa bangketa guys for dinner. Hey guys, back at the hotel. It's 10 PM. It's a long day, nakapagod, but it's all worth it. Thank you guys for staying with us. I hope you did enjoy our trip today. Comment down below sa mga feedback nyo.
malagay ko picture niya dito.
Morning, Riley.
You sure we're here today?
Cafe soda and croissant. Morning, mommy. So basically order ka dun guys. Pwede mo dalhin dito sa kabilang shop where order ka naman ng drinks. So don't wait the time in. So Blockbuster guys, sa lang na yung oras, it's 1 PM pero haba ng pila. This one? Yeah. And bestseller nila guys, number 1. Bigay ka nila and then you assemble your sandwich. But you order the base and then separate yung veggies guys. I'm just waiting over here. Order drinks? So we'll go for watermelon and Coke. Okay, Riley.
Tayo laman, oh. Ay, naku yung...
Bayan mo na.
Dapat na.
Guys, ganito kalaki yung banh mi. Oh. Parang this is the large size. Guys, fully loaded yung banh mi. So this costs more than 3 times dun sa bangketa guys. Pero definitely it stays 1,000 times better than sa bangketa. Hop.
Best banh mi.
Ay Riley, wala lang veggie. Pero maraming pati, ano naman yan? pork, may chicken din ba yan? Ah. This is 30 minutes grab drive away sa hotel namin, dinayo namin. True enough, yun nasa mga TikTok na pinipilaan siya. And you go next door para sa mga nasang dine-in, pero you go next door sa kanila rin to para sa mga fresh fruits and drinks. Yeah. Wala pa yung order namin drinks. Pero also looks healthy. Up nito guys. So isang order at hindi na kami ni-event, pero meron pa kami isa para mamaya. Yung in-order namin yung bestseller guys, number 1. So everything on it. So around 7,000-8,000 Vietnamese dong or roughly 3 point something Singapore dollar. Diba? Tama nakitang 3 point dollar.
For two.
For 2 persons na kasi malaki yung in-order namin. So value for money to guys. Peach mango guys. And strawberry. Watermelon. How would you rate banh mi dito? 1 to 10? 7. So, hindi naman pala. Not too bad.
Area for improvement. Ano dapat? Ha?
Hindi niya feel, pero 7-ish. Tama?
Kasi rice, dapat lunch eh. Wala kang maharap. 9 out of 10.
Ako, this is 9.5. Kasi yung una kong natikman, doon lang sa Bentan Market. Sarap din naman. Pero wala siya nung ang tawag doon. Pate ba yan?
Liver pate.
Yung liver pate. Yun yung masarap eh.
Reno liver spread.
So, yun yung nagdala dito. Plus the fact yung iba yung crust ng tinapay dito. Kita nyo, mugmug. Ang daming mugmug. So, sobrang flaky sa labas. Sobrang soft naman sa loob. So, the best. All good?